Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log out of Plex application on any device. Whether you are switching to a different Plex account, using a shared device, or securing your media library, it's a good practice to properly log out of Plex. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Plex application on your device, whichever device you are using. Go to the top right corner from the home page and tap on your name, initial, or profile icon, and then click on the Settings button from the expanded menu. Under Settings, tap on Account. After you click Account, go ahead and find the Sign Out button, which should be available at the bottom right above the Delete Account button. Tap on that, and in the pop-up, click on Continue to continue the sign out process. Soon after you do that, you have successfully logged out or signed out of your account. Now you've securely logged out of your Plex account from the device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.